extremely good. All right. That's my Billy boy. What up, Larry?
Hello, everybody.
You all right? Simmer down. Simmer down. Thank you. Okay. Now, I realize that you guys have probably heard about this other villain who stole the pyramids. Apparently, it's a big deal. People are calling it the crime of the century and stuff like that. But, am I upset? No, I am not. A little, but we have had a pretty good year ourselves. And you guys are all right in my book. No raises. You're not going to get any raises. What did we do? Well, we stole the Times Square Jumbotron. Right? That's how I roll. Yeah, you all like watching football and that, huh? But that's not all. We stole the Statue of Liberty. The small one from Las Vegas. And I won't even mention the Eiffel Tower. Also Vegas. Okay, I wasn't going to tell you about this yet, but I have been working on something very big. Something that will blow this pyramid thing out of the water. And thanks to the efforts of my good friend, Dr. Nefario.
Thank you.
Oh, there he is. Freestyling. Now, we have located the shrink ray in a secret lab. And once we take this shrink ray, we will have the capability to pull off the true crime of the century. We are going to steal. Wait! I haven't told you what it is yet. Hey, Dave, listen up, please. Next, we are going to steal. Pause for effect. The moon! And once the moon is mine, the world will give me whatever I want to get it back. And I will be the greatest villain of all time. That's what I'm talking about.
Yes. Hello, Gru. I've been crunching some numbers, and I really don't see how we can afford this. It can't be done. I'm not a miracle worker.
Hey, chillax. I'll just get another loan from the bank. They love me.